Hello, this is Matt Doctor from iTech News and iGeekPhone.com. Today I received a panoramic camera from GearBest, which I'd like really to thank it, and from iGeekPhone.com that intervened in order to receive it and review it for you. It's an Insta360 Air panoramic camera which can turn your Android smartphone into a 360 degrees VR camera. As you can see, you can plug it in your micro USB port of your mobile. Inside the packets you will find a Insta360 Air silicone case, a quick start guide, warranty card, tool needle, lens cloth. The ability of the camera to capture in video is 2560 to 1280, and it can take photos of 3008 to 1504. Its weight is about 75 grams and its diameter is 37.6 millimeter. Here we can see further info. In order to operate it, you will need to scan the QR code or visit the Insta360.com Air to download the Insta360 Air app. We'll see it furthermore in the video how it works. Now let's open it. The video to see how it works. So here it is, the box. Let's open it now. Here is the camera. So here it is. This is the silicone case. In order to place it and leave it, you plug it outside. This is where you plug it in your micro USB port of your mobile. Here it says Insta360 Air. The cameras around it. Really small. We plug it inside. You don't need to keep it protected. In this protection bag. Here it has nothing else. Here we have the pin that was mentioned inside it, a cloth in order to clean our lens and keep them clean and ready for use. With the logo of Insta360. And a quick start guide pops out. Quick start guide with product instructions, how you place it inside. Here is the QR code that we must scan. So here you connect it to your mobile. I see here it's in German. These are all the languages that it contains: Arab, Russian, German, English. So this is the QR code that we must scan, connect it to your mobile, click album to preview. These are the specifications, as we said it before, pointed outside at the box. When we have a green light, it's working normally. For malfunctions, camera power on but not be recognized the blue light. Accessories, how to use it. Very simple. You can also use it if you have a micro USB cable with your laptop, with your PC, in order to have it. So it's time now to connect our camera to our mobile and see how it works. Just for the record, the Insta360 Air is an add-on for Android smartphones that instantly turns your phone into a 360 degrees VR camera. You have preview on your smartphone while you capture the 360 degree stills and video, and you can share your experience to your favorite social media. It supports OTG. You can use it with a VR headset and relive your best experience in an immersive 360, or explore your creations straight on your smartphone screen. In order to work, you will have to have installed in your mobile Android 5.1 or above. It has dual fisheye lens with 210 degrees ultra-wide angle. It provides 3K photo and 2K video, and it has an image stabilization function. You can broadcast on YouTube or Facebook. Also, you can share images and video to Twitter, WeChat, QQ, and so on. It's compatible with all Android phones via micro USB or Type-C OTG cable. And all you need is to download the app either using the QR code that is inside the manual or on the box, or you can find it on Google Play Store. The image format is a JPEG, and it has 30 frames per second is the frame rate, and the video is stored as MP4. The lens diameter is 2.4. Well, let's see now how it works. Now that we have finished unpacking and unboxing of the camera, it's time to connect it. I downloaded the app and installed it. Insta360. So we take out the camera and we insert it here. It says open Insta360 when you use this device. So it's connected. Here we see the settings, English, YouTube high definition, video watermark if you want to use a watermark. You can make an account with Facebook or WeChat. So we inserted the camera and it might not be that clear. But you can see on the upper part of the app myself, which shows directly what the camera shows, and on the lower part of the app you can see a panoramic view of the camera as it shows. I'm going to try an elsewhere to see better view. Now here you see it has a panoramic view, as you can see it from the app, and here you can move the image up and down. You can see it goes round and round, and you can see all here the places. And you can set what you are going to take picture of. Very clear view, very nice shot. I'm going to take some pictures in order to upload them with my article. Really light, the camera, easy to use, you don't have much to do. Just connect it to your mobile and it runs automatically the app, the Insta360 app with it. And from there it's all up to you what you are going to see and what you are going to record. So this is my doctor with the Insta360 panoramic camera from GearBest for iGeekphone.com and iTechNews.gr. Come and read my review with image samples in order to see how good quality